I really don't know if you are like me, but I love this sound. This is my 2003 Mustang, and honestly, I think this car looks absolutely insane.
Wanna go dumb? Yeah, I need that. We don't give a where my girls at. Wanna cop this Louis V bag? Born to slay, I'm counting up, talking to the boss. Can follow my lead, yeah, I got the sauce. It's dripping off me.
I'm in love with it, and I'm dead set on restoring it and making it stupid fast. Under the hood, I built 5.0 V8, an absolute beast of an engine. There is just one problem. Very small, tiny actually. It doesn't work. So I'm taking you on a journey, restoring this car on a budget, doing whatever it takes to get this thing running again, and hopefully making it fast as hell along the way. Just another teeny tiny detail. I'm not a mechanic. I don't know what I'm doing. But let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the Mustang again. We need to check the alternator voltage. We just need to see, is it charging or is it not? Let's give it a cold start and let's dig right into it. It actually doesn't like it when I fire it up. Yeah, with the MAF sensor connected. Let's disconnect the MAF sensor because it runs much better, especially when it's a cold start. Alright, first thing first, we need to check the alternator. This is the part responsible for generating electricity and keeping the battery charged while the car runs. My theory, it's not doing its job, and that's why we're having issue. A healthy alternator should be putting around 14.2 to 14.7 volts, anywhere in that range, and it's working properly. So let's test it. As you can see, we are getting the correct voltage. Test passed, right? Well, not so fast. This is with the car cold and with absolutely no load. The real question is, will it hold up when we actually put demand on the system? Okay, we've checked the battery, we checked the alternator, everything seems fine, and I think the engine is warm enough now to actually connect the MAF sensor and run it with that. So let's do that. Now I did notice something weird. When the MAF sensor is connected, the car acts really jerky and unpredictable. I'm still not entirely sure what's causing that. I know the tune isn't dialed in and the car has a bunch of air leaks that need fixing. We'll tackle those issues down the line, but right now I just want to see if I can get this thing to actually drive. Here is what we're at. The car starts fine, it revs fine, but the second I engage a gear and release the clutch, it stalls every single time. So now I'm trying to figure out why. Could be electrical, could be sensor issue, could be the tune. Honestly, I have no idea, but we're gonna find out.
Harder than ever, higher than high we go. I'm flying light as a feather when we're together. I'm falling like a domino. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout, keep it up all night. I wanna scream and shout.
So, as you can see, we have this tube. Yeah, this tube was connected basically to the valve, PCV valve that's sitting on the head cover, and it was actually sucking in oil and burning it. But right now we need to plug it because it's an air leak, so the engine can run better. If we could plug it here, that would be perfect. This is the solution I came up with. I have a zip tie and some electrical tape, and I think it should seal it enough to actually run it. I need to see if I have any other leaks because I know I probably have something that is exposed. Not sure though. Let's check. Let's start the car and check. Perfect. Or what? Yes. It's actually running good. With the PCV inlet plugged up using a zip tie and electrical tape, the car was running way more stable. Now, is this a real fix? Absolutely not. It's a total hack job, but what it does tell us is that we've found one of many issues with this car, and honestly, that's progress. I did also go around and plug any other leaks I found so that we didn't have any air leaks. I did the best I could, so yeah. I think we've got the car running quite nice. Let me try to give it some gas. It's not bad. I know I have some electrical issues. I need to fix all these wires, like properly fix them. But yeah guys, let's take it for a spin. I tried connecting the laptop so I could log some data from all the sensors while driving. You know, actually see what's going on under the hood in real time. But of course, the computer just refused to connect to the ODB port. No idea why, because nothing can be easy with this car. So screw it. I skipped the diagnostic and went straight to driving. I want to see it if it drives. I don't have like steering. Oh, it's not good. Battery light. Something is wrong with the battery. Let's go out. I know it runs better when the MAF sensor is off. As you can see, when I release the clutch, the car actually drives like shit. So I thought, let me try to remove and disconnect the MAF sensor, because as you know, the car doesn't like the MAF sensor for some reason. So I did just that and disconnected the MAF sensor. See? Why does it die? See, it's so jerky, like. It's not the tune. There's something else. There's something else. Oh shit, I don't want to get stuck. think it's something to do with the wiring. I really think that. And when it dies, it does say see, like it's really strong, but it dies. So after the drive, the car still doesn't work. It's still stalling out the second I try to actually drive it. Turns out fixing that air leak didn't solve our main problem at all. Now my thinking, it's probably electrical. Maybe there is a short somewhere in the car, maybe it's a bad sensor throwing everything off, or hell, maybe it's something completely different that I haven't even thought of yet. Either way, we've got more digging to do. Listen guys, we fixed many issues. Right now, I need to do the wiring. So guys, I've been checking and I found something that is draining the battery. If I put it in amperage, let me try to show it to you. Basically something is like drawing 27, I don't know if you can see it, 0.27. It's in amperage, so something is leaking electricity. And I checked, so far what I know is if I remove this fuse, this one right here, this is number 6, the leak stops. So, and this one points to this fuse box inside here, which is this one up here. So I gotta test all of these. Plus it points to the powertrain, which it can actually be, because I hope I didn't put my hands on the microphone, because when I pulled some codes with the ODB reader, I could see that the transmission had a problem. So it might be the transmission. I'm suspecting that. I also know I have a short or something on my power window, but I think it's only a short when I click them or something. Not sure. But yeah, let me continue and I'll see what I can find. Well guys, I did find a short, and it was in the fuse box. I think it was called GEM. Not sure what it controls. I thought it was like the power windows, maybe the lights also, but power windows work. So not sure. I'll try drive the car and see how it goes. The good thing, we fixed an air leak, we fixed an electrical leak. Does this now make the car run better? We will probably find out in the next episode. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.